You know, I think early in the morning is when I come up with my unique ideas. So what I did is I cut the hole a little bit wider in that vent I had on there, that silver vent, and installed this little fan, cooling fan. It's USB powered right off the amplifier. Glued these little stands to keep the bottom from pancaking heat. It's going to sit right up here. All right, let's plug everything in. All right, got everything hooked up. I had to use, I got a dual fan here, and it had an actual outlet right here. So this little fan right here is plugged into the extension outlet for that, which is powered right here. It works. Good thing is now I got two fans on the subwoofer amp, and I got this one blowing and cooling this little guy right here. See there? She's a spinning, blowing air down in there. Gotta do what you gotta do, right? Yeah.